What's up, my beautiful people? Just use salt and coffee, and everything you touch will prosper. As I said earlier on, or as I say in those other videos, that whenever you use salt, salt is a cleanser. It cleanses all bad energy around your environment. It brings only positivity in your environment where you are. Maybe you're at home, maybe you're at workplace, or wherever you are. It cleanses all that bad negativity around the environment you're in. That's why it's very important to mix salt with everything. Of course, not with everything, but it's very important to use salt in your remedies whenever you're doing, like, you want money in your hands, or you want money, you're attracting money, or you're attracting wealth, or you're attracting prosperity, or you're manifesting everything you want to manifest. You have to at least just include salt in whatever you are manifesting, or in whatever you want to manifest. So yeah, this is how we are going to do it. Get salt and coffee. Salt, that one is sea salt, not an ordinary salt, it's sea salt. You can get sea salt and coffee. This is magic. It works wonders, and therefore it brings wealth, prosperity, positivity in our lives. So get coffee, you get your salt, mix it together, put in a glass, in a small glass. After that, rub in your hands. And when you're rubbing in your hands, you have to manifest. Like, I'm manifesting, oh, the Almighty God, I manifest. Whatever I touch, I want it to turn into gold. Whatever business deals I'm closing with clients, I want it to finalize, and I want it to turn like gold. Whatever I do in my life, or I'm setting up a business, or or you have already made business, and whatever you're touching, let it turn into gold. That gold, those are customers, or those are clients. I'm mopping my house. You're inviting prosperity in your house. You're inviting wealth in your house. You're inviting good things in your house, abundance in your house. When you're using that coffee and salt water, and when you're mopping your house, you just keep on saying those words. You just keep on manifesting. You just keep on saying whatever you want to say in that. You have to do, it has to surface. When you're mopping the house, that's what you're supposed to talk, like all the bedrooms, all the sitting room. You want prosperity to be in this house. You want whatever you touch in this house to turn into gold. You want money to come to you easily. You want people to send you money. You want businesses to prosper. You want a house that you're constructing to be finished, that prosperity. You're looking for a job, and you want a job to come. That's already you're prospering, because when you get a job, you are already prospering. So you got your businesses where you work. You still rub that water in your hands and stand in your business and begin talking, and you begin manifesting. Today, I want customers to come in this business. I want customers to bring me money. I want a big, large turnover of customers to come in my business. I want them to support me, to always support me, to always come back. That's prospering. And that's how going to work. Like, you rub that same water in your hand, and you begin calling customers. It's like you're a salesperson, you want promotion at work. You just rub that thing in that remedy, not thing. You rub that remedy in your hands and begin manifesting, begin talking, and begin believing. You get my point? So I want you guys to try it out and come back in the comment section below and tell me how it has worked. And please, whenever you use those remedies, you have to believe, you have to be open-minded that it's going to work, or it's already working, and I don't want you to have a doubt in everything. Whenever you use these remedies and you begin doubting and you begin saying, let me try, please, it's not going to work for you. It's not going to work for you. It's all about having faith within yourself. Like, yes, it's done, and it's going to work it out, it's going to work, and I'm already getting it, and it's already done. That's the kind of belief you should have. But when you begin doubting yourself, it won't work for you. So please, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I want you to subscribe. This part, not subscribe. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I love you all. See you in the next video. And please share all my videos, because this is very important information to put across. We are facing with so many problems in this world, and those problems need a lot of money to be solved. But money issue is the biggest problem we have in this country.